Hi, Joy. Welcome to the show. If you pay attention to my moderators, they can tell you all kinds of stuff about me. And as soon as I get done gluing this into place and making sure that that wire does not get pulled, I will show you some stuff. Is there anything you would like to see that I have made? Yeah, I will. I would gladly show you the A10. Where'd I put it? Uh-oh. Oh, it's all the way back there. I can't get it right now. Matthew, welcome. Ah, geez, doggone, I can't salute anybody anymore. Shoot. Salute, Matthew. Welcome to the Paper Army. That sucks. That part of this sucks. Oh, that's good, Joy. Awesome news. Mum's the words on that Easter egg, Joy. Somebody sent what? Thank you guys for the gifts. All right, I guess I'm going to have to show the Star Destroyer, yeah? The A10. Oh, the A10, that's right. it's right back there. I can go get it. Thank you, Van. Shout out to Van, a new member. Hey, Van, you can take and go post your pictures over on our Discord site. Talk with Eddie, Nat, Grant, Honey Bunny, Miranda, Derek, any of them, and they can help you get to Discord so you can go over there and see our new Discord site. Well, yes, I have. Matter of fact, I made a DeLorean from Back to the Future. Oh, no, no. I do, yes, I have that too. I just pushed this out of place though. Doggone it. I'm having a heck of a time gluing stuff today. I also made this John Deere Caterpillar crawler tractor that my dad had when I was a kid. He still has it. Well, it's still at my sister's house anyway. But, yeah. My sis told me that he used to look at this for hours and ask her questions. How do you do this? How do you do that? And she would tell him, I don't know how he does that stuff. Are you kidding me? I don't understand how he can do that stuff. I am pretty good at building, you guys. But anyway, yes, you can do construction equipment as well. I would like to make a track hoe. Komatsu or something like that.